Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In this screencast, we will learn about the Cloze question editor plugin for Tiny MC Editor. In Moodle quiz, the embedded answers or the Cloze questions are very frequently used because they contains a passage of text along with a lot of embedded answers within that. So in this lesson, we will learn how you can add the Cloze question editor plugin in order to make it easier for the teachers to create the Cloze quiz questions types pretty easily from their Tiny MC editor. So let's get started. You can download this plugin from the link given in the description section below. And once you have downloaded, then you can just install it on your Moodle site. So I have just downloaded it. Now I will go to my Moodle site. And here I'm logged in as a site admin, so I will just install the plugin. And I will drop the plugin zip file here and click install plugin. Now it will go through a variety of checks. Let's click continue and upgrade Moodle database. Once you have finished the installation of the plugin, you can navigate to your course where you would like to add the Cloze questions. Let me say that I would like to add the questions here. Kindly note that this plugin will not appear in any of the areas except when you are adding a embedded answers type questions in your Moodle question bank or the quiz directly. So let me go to the question bank here and click create a new question here and choose the embedded answers Cloze type here. So once we select this, then only we will see the button in the toolbar to add you can see this icon. This is the Cloze question editor. So first let us give it a name. And now I will just click on this button. And here on the left hand side, you can see there are different type of embedded answers which this plugin is supporting. There are options like the multi-choice or multi-response. And then you can have numerical short answer, and then we have horizontal, vertical, etc. So you can just go through all these options to select which one suits you best. For this example, I will just give with multi-response. So you can see that this multi-response allows the selection of a single or multiple responses from a predefined list. The vertical columns of checkboxes and multiple answers are allowed. In the multi-choice, it will only allow you to select a single answer from the multiple options. So it is a one answer only. So this way you can just choose whichever suits you best and then click this select question type. Now here you can give the answer. So you can mention what is the answer for this one. Option A. Let me see that it is the correct one, and you can give the answer as correct or 100%. And then option B, incorrect, and then you can give it answer of 0. And then click insert question. So here you can see that it has already added the code required to add the embedded answers in Moodle without you having to worry about this code, because this writing of this code is pretty difficult and there might be some formatting errors once you are doing it manually. So this plugin removes the manual process from the question creation process, so you can use it pretty comfortably and easily to create these embedded answers questions in your Moodle quiz. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. Thank you.